Hey, Facebook Live. I think I'm live. Yeah, I am live. So, if I can figure this out, I'm going to be doing a demo of Pixz because a lot of people haven't quite figured out how to use it. And so, let's make it happen. All right. So, everyone, thank you for downloading Pixz if you haven't downloaded it already. It's available in the App Store and Google Play Store. So, first thing I wanted to do is I have two devices. I have my Apple, which is the one that I'm screen sharing right now, and I have my Android phone. All right, and so Pixz is basically just an overview, a photo sharing app for groups and events. It allows you to share photos in real time without manually having to upload photos or create groups after the moment or an event has passed. So you can literally take a picture within the app and it shares instantly with however many people you want to share with within a group. So you can have as many groups as you want. I'm going to just show you some of them that I have. Here's one from Startup School, and I have several. I have many groups actually, and each group has different people in them, and so I can tailor the audience for my photo before I even take the photo. So here is one of my groups. This is the Pixz community group. There's a number of photos. As you can tell, the look and feel is something very familiar to what you probably used in the past. It's strictly photos, and you can record 15-second videos. We're going to increase that to about 30 seconds just to make it a little bit more useful. I feel like I'm rushed whenever I'm doing a 15-second video. Anyhow, let's jump right in. The first thing I'm going to do is show you how to create a group. So create a group, you hit the create group button, and this is called this group demo. You can add a location, so say you want to pick a location. Here's Madison, Alabama. You can schedule a group, so say you don't want say it's an event, maybe a virtual event or an in-person event, and you don't want people sharing photos in the group before the event starts, so you can actually schedule a group, and once that start time, once the event starts, the button within the group will show up, and then that whoever is in that group can share photos within that group. You can add guests. You can allow anyone to find your group. However, you need to have at least 10 people already in the group to make your group discoverable underneath the Discover tab. We had a lot of people spamming the public groups, so that way you don't have to worry about seeing a lot of groups that don't have anyone in them. You can allow manual, you can disable manual upload. So say if you only want people to share photos that they take with the app instead of uploading photos, it's a good way to keep people from uploading irrelevant content. So I found that to be pretty helpful. So there you go. We'll create a group. And there it is. If you want to add an icon to your group, you hit the group again. Here you go, and you hit the little the gray circle at the top is your icon button, and then if you just hit the icon in the middle, it allows you to access your camera and also your gallery to change the icon of your group. Here you'll see the members, the number of members in your group. You'll see who's there. Okay, that's that person. You have your administrators, so those are people who can delete or make changes to the settings of the group. You have pending members, so if you have a public group, people can request to join and you can give them access. You can also prevent people from posting to groups automatically. Say you want to review posts that are submitted, you can hit the pending post button here and either approve or reject any posts that are added to your group. If you hit the settings gear, you can make any changes. You can give a group description. Again, make some changes to making your group public, manual uploads. Again, group posts allows you to do what I just suggested, pending posts, and then allowing posts to be shared. So if you want people to be able to share share photos or videos from your group to other groups, you can enable that. The invite code is a code that you can copy and share with anyone, and they can join a group. So let me copy that, and we'll use it later. And then the QR code is if you're using your phone and you're somewhere with another person, and you want to invite them to the group, instead of sharing the invite code, they can scan your QR code within the app. So I'll show you where that can be done. So there goes your QR code. Someone can scan it with the Pixz app and automatically be joined to the group. So let's go back to my groups. There is my main screen. The plus sign is where you can join a group. So here we are. I'm going to paste my invite code in that box. And then voila, I'm already a member of that group, so nothing happens. Again, here is the QR scanner, and you can scan the QR code of someone and join the group. All right, so that's the basic way of creating a group. If you want to invite people, you can invite them through text message, and through your contacts. So if you just hit demo from the top, I'm the only person in the group. You hit the little person, the plus, and then you can add people from your contacts. Hopefully you didn't see that. Just some phone numbers there. I don't want you guys to know personal information. Anyhow, what else? All right, so let's get into the the main reason why I created the app. So the main reason why I created it was because I got frustrated with not being able to share photos instantly with people after an event or just in general. I felt like it was a chore to go back and share photos with my parents, my friends, anyone at work after something important happened, and I didn't really want to share it on social media where everyone can see it and everything's public. I wanted to be able to only share with the small group of people and not feel like it was extra work. So what I'm going to do is I am going to open up one of my groups and show you how this works. I have my Android phone. I am going to go to the Pixz community group. They're going to see this photo here that I'm about to take, and I'm on the Pixz community group here on my iPhone. So what I'm going to do is take a picture with my Android, and basically I just hit, let me show you how I did that. I hit the little camera icon there, and it opens up the camera. You can slide between video and taking a photo, and then I am going to take a picture. Okay, so let's take a picture from my Android with the app. Yeah, there it is. Photo is taken, and then you see on my iPhone there is already a new post, and there's the picture that I just took. So voila, magic, right? So you can take rapid shots. So if you want to just hit the camera button multiple times, they'll see like 5 or 6 photos. So that was very intentional to have burst imaging or burst capture. You can also upload photos. So if you don't want to, have every photo be a real time, shared in real time, you can upload a photo. I'll do that here. Let's see here. I'll do it from my Android. And all 60 people in that group saw that photo. Here you go. Here's a picture of me that I'm going to upload. And when you upload a photo, it gives you the opportunity to add a caption. I'm going to say hey, and then I'm going to share it. Okay. Should show up here in a second. There it is. So from my Android to my Pixz community group to my iPhone. Everyone saw that photo. Now I can hit those three little buttons right there that you see on the screen right next to my name. I can like the photo, so I'm gonna like that. Okay, and then I'm gonna get a notification here that it was liked. I can leave a comment. Nice pic. I can see all the photos in the whole community by hitting that little window button at the top. This gives you a grid form so you can see everything there. Like so. And then I'm going to hit those three little buttons again, those three little dots. And here are a few things. So report, if you find someone's, in your group posting things inappropriately, you can remove them from the group or you can report them. We haven't had that problem yet, so I haven't had to use that. You can save photos to your gallery, or you can also, if you're the owner of the group, you can disable that so that people can't save photos from your group. You can share your photo to other groups, so I'll show you that in a second. You can pin a photo to the top, so say if there's something important about your group that you want people to see, it'll show up at the top of your group, so you can pin something. And and then you can delete photos, so that's easy to do. If I had posted this group, there would be another button that said this picture. If I had posted this picture, I'd be able to edit it and go back and change the caption. Since I did not post this photo, I can't do that. But I can delete it because I am the admin. So let me share that photo. I can share it to another group. Here are all my other groups that you can see. And I will share it to, I'll share it to my social distancing group. So share it. And I'm going to go back to my social distancing group. It's at the top. So the newest posts are always going to show up at the top so that you don't miss anything. And there it is. And then I can edit it because I shared it. And I guess it's considered mine. And I'll leave it and say, hey there. And then change it. There it is. Okay. And then I can like photos. If you go to my my profile, so if you hit that little person at the very bottom and the tab bar at the bottom, you'll see all the photos that I've posted. I posted 900 photos. So, and they're all shared privately with different groups. You can see all the pictures that I've liked from someone else. In the notification tabs, you can see here, there's a couple people, look at that. People who have downloaded the app and requested to join groups. So I'm going to invite them. You get notifications on photos that are commented, likes, post requests, all different types of stuff. So I'm going to, since there's a couple people who asked to join this group, so I'm going to invite them to the groups. Those are real people that just joined, and they joined different groups, and I'm accepting them to the groups. And then I'm going to accept Tyrone Dudley. Thanks for downloading the app. Appreciate it. And that's it. So the idea is that you are able to share photos and videos privately with different audiences. So you can create one for your small business, one for your family and friends, one for work, one for just your a different interest group. So cooking. I have a friend of mine. He and I have a workout accountability group. I think it's here somewhere. CJ's Fitness. You can see that right there in the middle. We have a fatherhood group. Then we have a couple people in there that are just sharing photos about being, what it's like to be a father. I have the Black Lives Matter group, which I encourage you to join if you haven't joined that. social distancing group where people just share photos of them social distancing. There's the COVID story. I'm sorry, your COVID story group. So lots of different things. The video part I can show you here in a second. So I'm going to record a video. Let's see how it works with with my iPhone. So I'm going to record a video. I'm going to hit the camera button again. Oh yeah, a couple things here. This is the last thing. At the top you'll see a little timer. So you can actually set a timer for it to take a picture. So you can set down your phone somewhere. If you want to jump into a shot, it gives you a 5-second timer. It allows you to get into the picture, which you won't see in a lot of other social media apps. That's something that we created. The other thing is that you can do different aspect ratios. So this is 4:3. You can do square photos, and you can do full screen photos. So that's another cool feature. So let's just do video. All right. So this is gonna be cool, right? Look at this. So it's only 15 seconds. This is me recording a video on Facebook Live, showing how Pixz works. Check it out. The videos are not live streamed. You can go back and delete this, or you hit the next button and add a caption. Facebook Live demo. Check it out. And then that's shared. It takes a couple of minutes for it to upload, as you've probably experienced with other social media apps. So that's expected. All the photos that are taken or videos that are recorded within Pixz are full resolution. So you don't have to worry about us degrading the quality of your pictures. And everything all the photos that you take and record are also automatically saved in your phone gallery. So if something happens with Pixz and you're taking pictures and it doesn't upload, it's already on your phone, so you can go back and upload this later. Right now we have not enabled video upload, so you can't upload video. All videos have to be recorded within the app. That may come up in the future. There's the video. Let's see if it plays. Seconds. There it is. This is me recording a video on Facebook Live, showing how Pixz works. Check it out. Let's see. Seconds. The video loops, so once it gets to the end of the video, it's going to play again. That's just the way it is. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed our demo. Kind of impromptu, but I wanted to show you the value that we bring here. There's lots of videos here if you want to join the Pixz community once you download the app. It's free and available on Android and iOS. Be sure to leave us a review. If you're not happy with the app, please email me, send me a message. My email is mkelso@pixzapp.com. Before you leave a review, if you're not happy, if you have any problems, reach out to us by email, through our Facebook page, Instagram. There's a support link on our website. I'll be happy to answer any questions you have. Also, tell your friends, create your own groups. This is a very social thing. It's meant to be something that is used with other people, not in isolation. So when you first log in, you're not going to see any groups, so you have to join groups to see the value here. The last thing I think I didn't show you was the Discover tab. You hit the Discover tab, you'll see a whole bunch of groups that you can join. Unfortunately, the reason why you can't see any here is because I'm part of all the groups that are public. So once you're added to the group, you can't see them. But if you look at my my Android device, there are some groups here that I am not a part of. on my Android. This is a different account, so those are 4 that you may have you may see when you go in there, then and all the other ones that I'm a part of. So anyhow, thanks for tuning in. If you made it to the end of this, I appreciate it. It's not easy to go live on Facebook, but hey, you gotta do what you gotta do. We're trying to grow this community. Again, support Pixz. It is Black owned. I am the founder. I have a great, excellent development team that I've been working very hard on this with, and we are constantly pushing new updates. So if you have ideas that you want to incorporate into Pixz, we will be happy to sort of entertain those and address those. We have made a lot of changes based off the feedback that we've gotten from our users. Again, download it. It's free. It's on Android and iOS. Tune in next time. We have some new updates that are going to be coming up soon, and we will let you know. We'll email everyone out in our newsletter and push it out into social media. See you later. Have a good weekend.